እንዴት ቆያችሁ የተከበራችሁ የዩቲዩብ ቻናል ቤተሰቦች። በዚህ ቪዲዮ የ2016 ኢኮኖሚክስ ከዚህ በፊት ያልተሰሩ የመውጫ ፈተና ጥያቄዎችን አንድ ላይ የምናየው ነው። ይህን ቪዲዮ እስከ መጨረሻ እንድታዩ ለጓደኞቻችሁም ሼር እንድታደርጉ ቪዲዮውን ስትጀምሩ ላይክ እንድታደርጉና የተለያዩ ኮሜንቶችን በቪዲዮዎች ላይ እንድትጽፉ እላለሁ። አሁን ወደ ዛሬ ጥያቄ እገባለሁ። ጥያቄው እንግዲህ በኢኮኖሚክስ ቲዮሬቲካል ፓርት አለ፣ ሳም አናሊቲካል ፓርትም አለው። ይሄ በቲዮሬቲካል ፓርት ላይ የተመሰረተ ጥያቄ ነው የሚሆነው። The question is here, one of the following is not properties of information. A, information is non-excludable but rival. B, no individual can prevent others from using the information. C, information is a durable good. D, information is not a homogeneous good. እዚህ ጋር እንግዲህ የተጠየቅነው ጥያቄ ምንድን ነው? ከኢንፎርሜሽን ፕሮፐርቲ ወይም ከመረጃ ፕሮፐርቲ ውስጥ የማይካትተው የትኛው ነው የሚል ነው። እንግዲህ ይሄን we know that this information has different properties. So from this, which one is here? Which one of this? The listed one is not the properties of this information. ስለዚህ ይሄን ለማወቅ እንግዲህ ይሄን ጥያቄ ለመመለስ ኢንፎርሜሽን ማለት ምን ማለት ነው ዲቴይል ማወቅ መቻል አለብን። የኢንፎርሜሽን ባህሪያት ምን ምን ናቸው የሚለውን ዲቴይል ማወቅ መቻል አለብን፣ ትክክለኛውን መልስ ለመመለስ ማለት ነው። የጥያቄው ነጥብ እንግዲህ ስለ ኢንፎርሜሽን ፕሮፐርቲ ያልሆነ as we know that this information has different properties as economic properties, core economic property በኢኮኖሚክስ አንፃር ነው እንግዲህ የምናየው። Some of these core economics properties are it is non-rivalry, the other is non-excludability, the other may be durability, non-homogeneity, this all zero marginal cost of reproduction, the transparency and shareability, this context-dependent value, and there may be other properties of this information regarding this economics concept or economics point of view or core economic properties. From this, let's see this each and every choices in detail. So when we come to choice A, this information is non-excludable but rival. እዚህ ጋር እንግዲህ ምናምን ኢንፎርሜሽን ናን ኤክስክሉደብል ነው but rival information non excludable ነው but rival የሚል ነው። ስለዚህ ጋር typically this information is considered as non excludable. That means hard to prevent others from using it once it exists. And another property of this information is also that non-rival. That means if one person uses that the information in some way, it doesn't reduce the availability of that information in another place. So this shows that the non-rivalry of that the information. So here in this, in choice A, is saying it's non-excludable, but it's rival. This is not correct. For most, it is pure information. So this statement is false. እዚህ ጋር እንግዲህ ኢንፎርሜሽን አንዱ ከኢንፎርሜሽን ባህሪያት አንዱ ምንድን ነው? ኢንፎርሜሽን እና ኤክስክሉደብል። ይሄ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? አንድ ኢንፎርሜሽን ከወጣ በኋላ ሰው እንዳይጠቀም ፕሪቨንት ማድረግ ወይም መከልከል። ስለዚህ ይሄ አንድ ፕሮፐርቲ ነው። ሁለተኛ ፕሮፐርቲ ደግሞ አንድ ሰው የሆነ ቦታ ላይ የተጠቀመው ኢንፎርሜሽን ሌላ ቦታ ላይ ደግሞ የኢንፎርሜሽኑ አቫይላቢሊቲን አይቀንስም። ዳት ሚንስ ናን ሪቫለሪ ነው። በት በዚህ በኤ ኬዝ ምንድነው? ኢትስ ሪቫሊ። ስለዚህ ይሄ ኮሬክት አይደለም or ትክክል አይደለም ማለት ነው። ዳዘር ኢዝ ኖ ኢንዲቪጁዋል ካን ፕሪቨንት አዘርስ ፍሮም ዩዚንግ ኢንፎርሜሽን። ይሄ ደግሞ ምንድነው? ማንም ሰው አንድ ኢንፎርሜሽን ከወጣ በኋላ ሌላ ሰው እንዳይጠቀም ማድረግ አይችልም። ይህም another it is essentially describing non-excludability that we have discussed here. So this is general truth for information in the public domain. Therefore, this is correct statement. The other information is a durable good. This is also another true statement regarding this information, since this information doesn't wear out when we use it. And the other property here, information is not homogeneously good. This is also another true statement. This is also another true statement. Since this different piece of information have different values or content, and so it is not homogeneous, it's not similar. So different information may have different values, different contents. Therefore, when we come to this similar question regarding this information, let's see. So information is non-excludable but rival. This is wrong due to disturb. It is non-excludable and non-rival. The other no individual can prevent others from using the information. This is correct statement. The other information is a durable good. This is also another correct statement. And information is not a homogeneous good. This is also another true statement regarding this information. Therefore, the one which is not correct property of this pure information is choice A, because of this non-rival or not rivality of this information. Therefore, this A is the correct answer from the given alternatives. Here also, choice A is the correct answer. Okay, I would like to thank you for watching this video until the end, and I will invite you to subscribe my channel for more related videos regarding the exit exam, COC exam. It can be freshman exam, it can be pre-exam for grade 12 or remedial exam and other grade 12 exams, which is prepared by Ministry of Education in Ethiopia. Thank you for watching this.